this edition of FFS Pro Quick Tips, we're going to discuss installing product and water floats on our FMP LL3 probe. So to start, we want to start with our floats. So our first float to go on will be our white neck float or our product float. We want that on the 4-inch floats, you want with the neck pointing up. On the 2-inch, it'll actually give you an arrow showing the proper direction. So we'll slide our product float on. The second is our colored float or our water float. This happens to be a multicolored float with the red and the white indicating it's a phase separation float. So we'll slide that on our probe. Now we're ready to put on our probe foot. Our probe foot sits at the bottom of the probe and actually acts like a foot or a stand to keep the probe upright in the tank, along with the spacers at the top that keep it aligned in the riser. So what we'll do now is we'll slide our foot on the little end piece there, and then we've got this little E-clip that's going to secure our foot on the bottom of the probe. Hear that snap, then your probe foot is installed. See how that secures the probe foot on, and when the probes catches it when they fall.